the roots that you have learned. What about if we have been given this? We say root 2 times root 6. All right, are we still going to get a constant? Let's find out. So this can be written as 2 times 6. All right, 2 times 6. Then 2 times 6 is what? Is 12. So we're going to get root 12 as our answer. That's about the sides. Okay. Then, okay, what if we say root 2 times root 3? How is it going to be? Same thing. It will be 2 times 3. Okay, and we are going to get 2 times 3 is what? 6. That is our answer. Unless in our multiplication, there's a perfect square, then we would square root that. Okay, if we have a perfect square. By perfect square, I'm talking about those like 4 squared is 2, 9 squared is 3. Okay, 144 squared is, root 4 is 2, root 9 is 3, root 144 is 12. Those are what we call perfect squares. Interesting. How about this one? Suppose we have root 24 over, now we are on division, root 6. How do we get to solve such? So, my good friends, we can find this one in 2 ways. All right. Remember, we have said that we can, this is 24, right? Then out of 24, we can get a 6, right? I believe we can get a 6. Okay. So, 6 times 4, it will give us what? 6 times 4 will get 24. So, we're going to get square root 4 times 6 over root 6. So that now, so I'm just reversing, okay? I'm just reversing because 4 times 6 is 24. All right? So I've just expanded that. Then I'll say root 4 times root 6, all right, over root 6. This root 6 and that root 6 will go. I'll remain with root 4. Then root 4, what is the square root of 4? It is 2. That is our answer. Or the other way you can solve this one, is like this. We'll say root 24 over root 6, which will give us the biggest root, which has 24 over 6. Then how many 6 are in 24? There are 4. So what is the square root of 4? It is 2. So I don't know which method you prefer, but you can still solve it like that. Awesome. Let's look at another example. This time around, we have this. The one that we looked at, distributive root. We have 3 root 2, then plus 2 root 2. How do we get to simplify this? So, since our roots are common, we get factor out roots, okay? So we are going to say root 2, open bracket. Then we say 3 plus 2, okay? 3 plus 2. So what is 3 plus 2 is 5. So root 2, open bracket, 5. That is our answer. Or somebody can write it as 5 root 2. Because root 2 times 5 is 5 root 2. It's still one and the same. That's how we answer such. Let's look for another one.